Thanks, Clint.
Yeah, you're
It's
welcome.
great to take away some more of your junk.
There's more to be taken.
That thing's a hot rod. How about an 87 Monte Carlo SS for next to nothing found in a farmer's field?
Is that what you need? Yeah, we're not going to need that. Take that out. Bring it back. No, I don't want it back.
Oh, that's good. Yeah. Well, I guess you don't need a column shift for this car, do you?
No.
Okay. Oh my God.
You want a tailgate? You can have it.
Yeah, I'm gonna take it when I come get the truck. That'll be perfect.
Perfect tailgate.
So we showed up at my buddy Clint's place because he was kind enough to give us a brand new windshield for your Camaro. Remember, we figured out that we don't have one. And in the midst of that, we realized there's a Monte Carlo SS ready for racing. We made a quick handshake deal. Basically, Clint wants it out of here. And I don't mind taking up space at my place, so let's load up a new car. Okay, Teresa. This red one, you got to push down on it. The red one down. And you know what you're looking at there? That is the 67 Tempest steering column, Pontiac Tempest. And we actually need that for the steering column mount so that we can mount a steering column to the Camaro. How about that for another trick? So apparently if you're building one of these cars super cheap, you need lots of friends. That's probably good. Okay, down with the red one. Okay, up with the red one. Okay, go. Okay, that's good, love. Okay. Yes.
It is yes, Carl.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Oh boy. She got herself a 350. This thing's got some muscle. It was actually a competitive street stock car one day.
One time. A few years ago, though, I would say.
I would say, yeah. Okay, how many of our fans and followers have ever gone stock car racing in an old street stock? It's actually super, super fun, and this is my favorite body style, Monte Carlo SS. I think Dale Earnhardt, the number 3 car that looked so good back in the day. It's awesomeness. Chevy, I've got to get it on a hoist and see if I've got a transmission for it or not. Is there air in the back tire or no?
No.
It's turning left really good.
Okay, hold it there. We'll put some more air in it.
It's good, love. She's deaf. You have to yell at her. It's good, love. Clank, clank, clank. No!
Oh yeah, there's a nest back there.
Big nest.
No. You'll lose him going down the road. Hopefully.
It's big, like big. They're happy under there.
Yeah.
If you get a stick, you can take it out and then just leave it here.
Well, I could pop it open for you, but I'm going to do it from here, and you're going to stand over there. Oh, it fell.
Did it?
That's why they're pissed. Okay, babe, red. No, I just put it in gear.
That wasp nest from under.
Okay. Okay. Good. Thanks, Clint.
Yeah, you're
It's
welcome.
great to take away some more of your junk.
There's more to be taken.
That thing's a hot rod.